Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm gonna be teaching you how you can create a blog absolutely for free. Yes, so the first step we're gonna be taking today is going down and click in the link that is provided in the video description, and then we're gonna be checking a website like this. It's called Medium. So after this you click where it says get started in the right upper side here, and then you're going to be signing with your Google account, Facebook, or also your email. So for this time I'm going to be joining with my email. Click where it says sign up with email, and then I'm going to be typing my email here. Okay, after this click where it says continue, and now I have to check my inbox to confirm my account that is created with my email, and click in OK. So now I am in my blog. As you can see right now, you're watching my blog live, so you are going also to create your blog for free. So click where it says right here, where it says right, click here, and then I am going to create my blog. First, I'm going to be typing the title, then the description, features, and everything related to a blog. So if you don't have an idea on how to write a blog, it's very easy, guys. I'm going to be dropping also the link for you to create a blog absolutely for free and also easily, so you don't have to think about it. I am talking about the ChatGPT system. So I also have my account here, the ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a content about what I need. So in this case I'm going to be creating content about HostGator. So for example, I will type here yes, and now it is creating my blog. Yes, I will wait just for less than a minute, and for example I'm going to be copying here the title. Right click, copy, then paste here, control, yes, HostGator review, a comprehensive guide for 2024. Then in the next part I'm going to be copying also the rest of the text and then paste it into Medium. Click here, copy, then paste here. As you can see, this is my blog post automatically created with the artificial intelligence with ChatGPT. I have created the blog here and then copied into my blog here with the guys from Medium. This is the description: HostGator review, a comprehensive guide for 2024. When it comes to web hosting, HostGator is one of the most recognized names in the industry. Yes? What is HostGator? HostGator is a popular web hosting provider known for its affordable pricing, strong performance, and easy-to-use tools. HostGator pricing plans, for example, share hosting, for example, they have best for beginners, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, cloud hosting, HostGator performance, HostGator pricing. Yeah, this is the pricing. Also, you can do this, for example, and then click in bold, yes, for remark or to remark some things that you consider important. Website builder, unlimited bandwidth, secure features, pros and cons of HostGator. Yes, as you can see, it's a professional blog post that I created with the artificial intelligence. So for example, if you guys want to put an image here, you just click for example, let's say here, enter, and then click here in the plus sign, click, and then upload an image, click, and you will see that my image is ready. This is my blog post, professional blog post created with the artificial intelligence, absolutely for free. Yes, registering with your account, Gmail account, or your email, or also your Facebook account, absolutely for free. So now, after we created our blog post, it's time for us to publish it. Click here in the green button where it says publish, click here. And then I'm going to be typing some tags for my blog post to rank higher on Google. For example, this is about HostGator, comma, HostGator, web hosting, yes. It have just 5 tags. for example, HostGator discounts, and the last, HostGator pricing, for example, or promo code. Yes, and then click where it says publish now. Let's wait for a couple of seconds, and you are, let's close here, and you are going to watch my professional blog post about a HostGator review. Yes, HostGator. What is HostGator? A popular web hosting provider. HostGator hosting plans. They offer shared hosting, VPS hosting, yes, dedicated hosting, cloud hosting, and also they offer HostGator performance in uptime and speed. The speed of your website largely depends on your hosting plan and the resources allocated. Yes, HostGator servers are optimized for fast performance. HostGator pricing, discounts, features, and many other features. Yes, yeah guys, I hope you have liked my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. Remember to click where it says like and follow me if you like. This is all for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.